This is Fabulae Graecae 14. In musica, in music, erudibatur, he was taught, got a passive there, a lino centaure, by Linus the centaur. All right, this is a great one. This is a imperfect, passive, indicative, right? Third person singular. He was being taught. When you see a passive, look for the ablative. This is an ablative of agent. All right, this is one of the ablatives we discussed recently. Ablative of agent there. So you can see, again, the flip-flop effect. Passive is a flip-flop of active. He was taught by Linus. Think about that. Flip-flop it to active. Linus taught Hercules. You can make it active. Centaure autem equirat. The centaurs were, however, horses. Sed caput hominis habebant. But they had the head of a horse. Not sure what that's doing there, but there it is. Okay. Little genitive there, right? Hominis, head of man. Good. Huic tamen arti minus diligenter studebat. But he studied art less carefully. And that modifies arti there. He studied this art less carefully. Studio is one of these weird words. Takes a dative object instead of accusative. And there's the dative right there. Okay. Arti. Studied this art less carefully. This Linus, once upon a time, scolded Hercules because he was not studious. Tum puer iratus kitharam subito rapuit. Then the angered boy suddenly seized the lyre, et omnibus viribus caput magistri infelicis percussit. And with all his strength, he smote the head of his unfortunate teacher. Da-da. All right, we've got a few things to unpack here. I just want to point out this lino centauri erudibatur. When you see an ablative, when you see a passive verb form, look for ablative. All right, and there it is. Lino erudibatur. There it is. Debatur. Passive verb form, look for the ablative. Also, did you notice this? Lino centauro. We were just talking about this the other day. What is Linus? He is a centaur. This is an appositive. All right. Renaming the name of Linus just by putting it in the same case. Yep. All right. So I think I've got almost everything. I do want to go back to the vidibus here. All right. Omnibus vidibus. Another ablative. This one is ablative. Can you guess? Of means. With all his strength, he hit the head. Okay, that's the instrument or means by which he does it. So we're really working on these ablatives now.